There are certain situations where you most definitely can handle your own IRS debt. If you owe the IRS $10,000 or less, all of your tax returns are filed up to date, and no wages or bank accounts are being levied, and you can pay it off within 36 months, the IRS actually guarantees you an installment agreement. What you do, you call the Automated Collection System, also known as ACS. When you call this number, they'll help you set up the arrangement. Don't want to talk to anyone from the IRS? That's fine. You can go to www.irs.gov, irs.gov, sorry about that, and then in the search, type in Apply Online for a Payment Plan. If you need any assistance with setting this up, there's also a service called the Taxpayer Advocate Service. They will be more than happy to help you set up this arrangement, and it's something that you can handle all on your own without the use of a professional. Now, if you owe more than $10,000, you absolutely should consider using a professional because they know how to navigate different tax laws to make sure that you don't pay any more than you legally have to pay. They can help with getting the penalties abated, which simply means removed, and getting that interest rate cut in half. So if you're facing a tax levy, tax lien, have unfiled tax returns for past years, you definitely want to consider calling in the professional to perform your tax surgery.